guys, we are in the Big Mountain backyard. I didn't know if you knew that, but when we're in this outdoor space, it's the Big Mountain backyard. So we had to bring out the Big Mountain guy himself. We've got Varen Larson with Big Mountain Heating and Air to tell us about how we can survive the summer heat. Even though fall's slowly coming, Varen, it's still very, very hot outside.
I don't think fall's ever coming.
Yeah.
No, it's hot, isn't it? It's still hanging in there. But I've seen years where it's been 100 degrees in October. Yeah.
I know. And again, triple digit temperatures, we're trying to beat it. But with it being hot, I mean, we're still using our AC units.
Sure.
We're turning it on. We're pumping out the air. What's the biggest reason, though, for AC units or the furnace to break down when we're using it?
As we talk about a lot, it's dirt, and it causes a component to break down on the system. And people don't realize that because, we talk about it. It's out of sight, out of mind. Until it's not working, we don't really care. But you should, because it can save you money, it keep you more comfortable, and it's just, it stops the frustrations if you take care of the system and don't let that dirt build up in your system. And we provide a service that really is over the top when it comes to that.
Okay, so yeah, we don't want to be breathing in that dirt at all whatsoever. So what is unique about the service that Big Mountain offers our YCL viewers?
It is very comprehensive, and it's not just one, call it a tune-up. I don't like to do that because so many tune-ups are just sales gimmicks. What we provide is a true service where our technicians come out and take care of the furnace and the air conditioner, both, and we guarantee both for the year. And we do it at a really special price for the first 10 callers when we come on your show. If you've tried before to get through on the line, try again. We'd love to have you as a customer.
All right, and let's talk about guarantees. I know that's something you've discussed before on the show, but is it true that Big Mountain's YCL service comes with a 1-year guarantee against AC meltdowns and furnace fiascos when we eventually hit the warmer temperatures?
Absolutely. You asked what's unique about it, and that's very unique in the industry where we're taking care of both systems, guaranteeing both systems against breakdown, doing it for a year. And the reason we can do that is because we're not just at the house trying to sell you something. We're doing a lot of work. And again, we do it at a really special price if you're one of the first 10 callers on the program today. So pick up the phone.
There we go. You heard it here himself. Okay, so tell us, Varen, what is that special offer for the first 10 YCL viewers, and why just the first 10?
Well, it's costing us way more than we charge. It's $69 to the first 10 callers. And if you, the question was, why do we do it? To gain you as a customer. Hey, look, it's a promotion that if we can prove to you that we're different, we're going to gain you as a customer for life. And we've done that with thousands of customers in our market.
All right, and then you service additional locations as well. Tell us about those locations that you service, Varen.
Yeah, we're out in Solano County now. We've expanded out to the west of the Sacramento region. We're also south into the San Joaquin market. So if you've tried before and you couldn't get through because we didn't service the area, call us again.
There we go.
Yeah.
And then tell us about, I know we always talk about how you service the furnace and the maintenance, but you also offer other services at Big Mountain Heating and Air. What are those services?
Yeah, a lot of windows, replacement windows. We've installed thousands of windows. People may not even know that, but yes, windows, roofing, of course, heating and air conditioning, insulation, hot water heating. I could go on and on, but it's all saving you money with these energy-saving services and products that we offer. So it's very comprehensive in what we do, but it starts, we believe, at keeping you comfortable with taking care of your furnace and your air conditioner. And then you know who to call if you do have a problem, because it's guaranteed against breakdown for the next 12 months when you give us a call and get on the schedule.
There you go. Get on the schedule. And then that special offer, one more time, Varen.
Yep, $69 first 10 callers, guaranteed against breakdown for the next year. The service is free. And here's the other thing I didn't mention. We guarantee you're going to save more than double the cost of the service just in your energy savings because of all that we do with the system. Furnace, air conditioner, gas, electricity, you name it.
There we go. Varen Larson. Varen, I'm glad we got you in the Big Mountain backyard today.
That's right. There you go.
There we go. All right. And I'm going to let our viewers know where they can go for more information. You can visit bigmountainair.com for details on all of their heating and air services.